guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that like button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. So, today I'm actually going to be showing you my fidget collection. If you didn't know, I've been doing fidgets for 2 years, sorry. And let's roll into it. So, first, I'm going to be showing basically puppets, just full-on puppets. Now, as you can see, the front of the thumbnail with this, or I don't know what it's going to be, but I know as you start the video, it's going to start like that. And you saw this, right? Yeah. So, I have my dolphin. It's actually a new one, and he's almost my favorite. Now, if you cannot see, there's little pictures on it, which you probably can't see. Yeah, but there's pictures of a dolphin on it. Okay, so now we have this Mickey Mouse puppet. Okay. Now, if you can't see, some of them have glitter. I'm just gonna try to get as close. Yeah, y'all can probably see that. Now, it may be like kind of foggy and stuff, just because I'm filming with my iPad. It's actually going on YouTube. So yeah, I have this puppet. Then I have this one. I have this mermaid tail puppet. Then I have this glittery shooting star. Try to let you see the glitter. Yeah, this one's harder. Okay. I have my puppet purse, and I'm gonna add in the dimples. So I have this one, and it has actually pictures of a heart on it. You could probably see that one right there. Yeah. Then I have this cupcake one. Now this one has cupcake on it. You may be able to see that. Nope. Okay. You might have really good eyesight. Who knows? Oh. And if you're still watching, I want you to put your favorite color heart emoji and what your favorite shape is, and then type in what your puppet would like. Kind of, type in the inspiration of why you like it. Okay, we're gonna keep rolling through. Okay, so as I said, I would add dimples. I have this dimple fidget spinner. Really satisfying. So much more satisfying on the camera, isn't it? Okay. I'm going to be showing all of my puppet bracelets at the same time. This is not one thing, it's another. Alright, so I'm actually going to save puppet bracelets. And then I have this puppet. It's a really good puppet. I actually did just give away one of my extra good puppets. I don't know why. We're doing fidget challenge. Give me something really good. Okay, and then I have this squirrel. Okay, and then I have another dimple. This one doesn't work. I don't know why. Sorry, I was just getting my puppet. I have this mini puppet. This one. I have this one. Solid. Okay. Now we're gonna go on to the next thing. Alright, let's go change this in. So, now that we made it, we're going to do like caterpillars and monkey noodles and pop tubes and this and yeah, stuff like, I don't have caterpillar. I want to show you all the face. Look at this. Sorry. So cute. Okay. Then we'll go on to this little guy. The pink caterpillar. A green caterpillar. It's a basic. It's basic. It's a basic. Okay. Yeah, remember, this is basically just stuff that I don't have a lot of. Okay. I have this acupressure ring. I have two, which I'll show that other. I have these two acupressure rings. And this blue, like, sea urchin. I think this might be just a rare color because not a lot of people have it. Someone traded to me. I'm also going to show my mochis in this one. So, I have this little baby boy, turtle, this chickie, and then this elephant. Okay, now I'm going to show this pop tube. Then we have this blue one. Okay, so now I'm going to show my monkey noodle, which is this purple one. It's my actually only monkey noodle. Okay. So now we're gonna, my needle. Okay, so I have this atomic needle. And then I have this color changing needle. And I have this thingy majigger wagging the doodle. And I have this. Okay, now I'm gonna I have the S Slinky. It's rainbow with, let's see here, smiley face. I'm gonna show you all my slowrising squishies. So first I have this doggy. And I have the snowman, Frosty the Snowman. Then I have this rainbow. Then I have this unicorn. And then last but least is the snowflake. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh! If we can get this to 2K, this video, then I will do another video like this. Once I get some more fidgets, you know. So, bye!